Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Canva to use brand colors from PDFs, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Canva to use brand colors from PDFs, start by opening Canva on your device. Next, locate the PDF file that contains your brand colors. Download and save this PDF to a location where you can easily access it. Open Canva and log into your account if you haven't already. On the Canva homepage, click on the Create a Design button. Select any design template to start a new project. Once the design canvas opens, navigate to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Click on Upload Media and choose the PDF file you saved earlier. Once the PDF is uploaded, click on it to add it to your canvas. The PDF page will appear in your design area. Next, click on the image of the PDF to select it. Then, right-click on the PDF image and select Extract Colors. A color palette will appear, displaying the colors used in your PDF. From this palette, choose the brand colors you wish to use. Click Add to Brand Kit if you want to save the colors for future use. Alternatively, you can copy the color hex codes for manual use. Now, navigate to the Brand Kit tab from the Canva sidebar. If you haven't set up your brand kit yet, click on Create a Brand Kit. Once in the brand kit, scroll to the Brand Colors section. Paste the hex codes of your brand colors into the color fields. You can name each color for easy identification. After saving your changes, return to your design. Click on the color picker in any element you want to change. Select your newly added brand colors from the brand kit options. Your design is now authorized to use the brand colors extracted from the PDF. Finally, make any additional adjustments to ensure your design aligns with your brand identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.